another activity in terms of giving and receiving feedback. So just now we have learned about sandwich technique, where we have learned about, rather than talking in a very direct manner, you are talking in a sandwich method where you are starting the conversation with a positive language, right? Then we are elaborating the things for improvement, and again giving him or her motivation for improvement. So let's assume that there is this colleague of yours who talks a lot during meetings and do not provides opportunity for the other people to speak. So just using the sandwich technique, kindly please write it down, your answers in the chat box. You can also write in Nepali. You can just elaborate the same thing in Nepali, saying using this positive language, or if you want, you can also write in English language, and I'll provide you with the feedback. So we can see answer in the chat box, and all the answers seems correct. It's very crisp to the point and also sounds really diplomatic. Requesting the other participants to kindly please also write your respective answer in the chat box. I will provide you with the feedback. And just let me tell you, you can also write the answers in Nepali language. It's the same thing. हजुरले नेपालीमा लेख्दाखेरि पनि सेम टेक्निक हो. फर्स्टमा चाहिँ पोजिटिभ पोजिटिभ कुरा चाहिँ हजुरले गर्नुहुन्छ. त्यस पछाडि नेगेटिभ के कुरा त होइन, हजुरले के कुरा इम्प्रुभ गर्नुपर्छ, अरू व्यक्तिलाई सुधार्नुपर्छ भन्ने कुरा हजुरले बिचमा राख्नु पर्यो, र त्यस पछाडि फेरि मोटिभेसनको लागि पोजिटिभ कुरा चाहिँ लेखिदिनु पर्यो. So we can see the answers in chat box and requesting you all to read others' answers as well because everyone have different way of elaborating the same scenario. And we can see that, okay, so for the same particular situation, how we can respond in a different manner. So all the answers which I've seen until now, it's absolutely correct. And it seems that we all have learned how we can master our workplace communication. Yes. So in that manner, we can definitely improve our workplace communications. So for Santi ma'am, I would like to request you to kindly, elaborate more on what were the inputs that you really appreciated from the other person. Okay, you can say that, oh, so this point, so sir, the points that you mentioned about this particular scenario was really valuable for us. But since you were talking in a very let's say elaborative manner, what happened was that our other team members did not receive an opportunity to speak. So if you could just talk in a very concise manner, then we believe our meeting is going to be more interactive. So in that manner, you can just talk by elaborating the statement with the positive and the ending with a positive tone as well. Yeah, so Santi ma'am can rewrite your answers by using positive, negative, and positive, or praise, criticism, and praise technique. And I will again provide you with the feedback for improvement.